Hi, welcome to another video. My name is Rosana and I'm an artist with a full-time job not related to art. On today's video, you're going to join me to draw my outfits. And as I said in my previous video of drawing my outfits, I'm not a fashion blogger or anything like that, but I really enjoy this type of content and I don't know, I found it fun and I enjoy it, so I decided to do it. And also you're going to join me to Porto. I went there and it's a beautiful city. I already been there, but it was very fast. And now I had the opportunity to walk around the streets and all the nice and beautiful places it has to show. So first I'm going to draw this outfit. I was going to a date and I felt cute, so I decided to draw this outfit. And then we're going to Porto and I'm going to show you the outfits I wear there. Porto is a beautiful city. I mean, it has a lot of little beautiful streets and just the view and everything it has to show. Just look at this view. It's beautiful. I really enjoy being there. This is my outfit number 2 from my first day in Porto. This is what I wear. I really hope you like it, so join me to draw my outfits in Porto and to visit the rest of the city. I really hope you like it.
se pôs. Pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu. Tudo escureceu. Bem ao meio-dia. Foi no apogeu. Quem diria que seria o fim de você e eu? Mas quando eu